Well, you've been on Facebook and you've seen those DJ groups. You're not a real DJ if, right? Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of this little dog and pony show I do every week. And thank you for all of your support to my sponsors: Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, and the Entertainment Experience Workshop. I've got one coming up in a couple of weeks. If you want to know more about it, reach out soon because those seats will not be available much longer. So, you're not a real DJ if, we all have our opinions about that sort of stuff. You may have even popped in on those Facebook groups and decided to say what you think a real DJ is and what a real DJ isn't. I think it's silly. I think it's a way for us to kind of be divisive and to go back and forth. I think it doesn't help anybody to get any better. And it seems silly. I mean, if you really want, I could go back as far as the records and record players. You're not a real DJ unless you've played 45s. Oh, you're not a real DJ unless you've played albums. Oh, you're not a real DJ if you don't have 12-inch singles. If you don't have DJ cuts and Ultimixes. Oh, well, you're not a real DJ unless you're playing CDs. If you're still playing records, you're not a real DJ. You're not a real DJ if you're playing CDs and not computers. If you're playing computers, then you're still playing CDs. You're not a real DJ. I mean, the jog wheels, the MP3 tracks, the 128 to 320. All of these things that you're not makes you less than. I guess it's a way for us to kind of go, I'm better than you are, which is kind of what the internet does. I would suggest that you ignore that. Do your best to learn to use the tools at your disposal, and just do as good as you can. But if I was forced to play the game, and usually I wouldn't say that you're not a real DJ, period. But if I'm playing the game, then it's like, well, who do I respect, right? Who do I want to talk to, learn from? Somebody who understands me, someone who's gone through what I have, someone who I feel has weathered the storm. Okay, so let's play that game. How about I'm looking for somebody that has failed, right? I mean, have you ever DJ'd a party and everything you did failed? You played a song and nobody danced. You played another song and nobody danced. You played a mix. You played like a really boring, no fun DJ song like the Electric Slide, and everybody came out. And the moment you put something out there that you knew would really bring the jive, the everybody's groove up, the dance floor empties. You play something else, and the dance floor just says, people in the rooms, like an oil painting, stare at you all evening long. People might even come up and make crazy requests, things that you know for a fact won't work. And then you go, well, I'll give it a try. You play that, and nobody dances. And then people blame you for the bad requests. And it just keeps getting worse. And you can feel it in your gut. You can feel it in your chest. It's just the worst thing in the world. Have you done that? Have you been through that? Because there's somebody that I can relate to. There's somebody that I can understand. Somebody who also understands that in that, they learned more in that evening than they've learned in every book they read, and every controller they ever mastered, every record player they ever dropped a needle on. They learned more in that evening about how to be successful as a DJ than anything else. Because that's in the trenches, right? You can take classes and you can take training, and I do a training, and my friend Mark Farrell does a training. A few people do trainings. And the ones that give you a safe place to fail in front of your peers is a place where you're going to learn something pretty quickly. And you're going to start to see the differences and learn something from your mistakes. But it's like, you can't read a book on how to ride a bike, right? You got to get on the bike, and then you got to fall. And then you get on the bike again, and you fall again, and you fall again, and fall again. And all of a sudden, somewhere in those mistakes, you figure out what balance feels like. And you never, ever, ever not know how to DJ again or ride a bike. So if you don't fail, you're just going to be where you are. And if you don't talk about those failures, you're not going to learn anything. So the people that I want to talk to are the people that are willing to talk about their failures. Those people that are willing to talk to others that have had failures, and people who are not going to go out of their way to make you be bad and feel bad because you're not a real DJ if blank. That's just not helping anybody. What do you think of this? Do the thing and like and subscribe and ding the bell and whatever. But that would be great. But at the very least, thanks for watching. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time.